Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video here on this channel. In today's video, watch me transform this edit to go from this into this using photos and 3D objects found on Envato Elements. I have no idea what inspired the theme of this edit, but all I really know is that I wanted to create a war scene. Now, before you destroy me in the comments, yes, I know that some of the objects that I used in this edit, such as the tanks and the aircrafts, don't actually match the era of the soldiers that I used. I just thought they looked really cool and yeah, that's why I chose them. If you're wondering why I am showing you and previewing this edit in a speed form fashion is, well, because it took me around 1.5 to 2 hours to complete. But if you'd like a closer look at some of the more detailed stuff that I do within this edit, jot down the comments below with a timestamp and I'll be sure to consider it for the next couple of videos. Now, without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into Photoshop and start creating this edit. I hope you guys do enjoy. well, there it is. There is the final edit. I hope you did stick around to the end of this video. Like what I said earlier, if you do want to see something more in detail, let me know in the comments below. So with that being said, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That'd be highly appreciated. I'll see you guys in the next video.